Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the kitty nightstand in Heartopia. So the furniture will look like this. It's so cute like this. It's like a kitty. And then to create this furniture is very easy. First, you need the furniture recipe of this kitty nightstand. You can get the recipe from the collections rewards, or maybe you can buy it from the pop store, and then you can get it from the developed skilled rewards. And after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench like this, and then just tap on craft, and then just search for this kitty nightstand like this, and then after that just complete all the materials. You need the quality timber, and then ore, and then roaming oak timber, and then flawless fluorite. Make sure you already complete all the materials, and then just adjust the amount that you want to create, and then after that just tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will get this kitty nightstand. You will successfully create that kitty nightstand. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.